Okay, so today is Wednesday, and I am on my way to the pool so I can go swim, get a nice workout in, and then I'm going to go to lunch with my mom, and my 3D printer is coming today, so I'll have to build that as soon as that comes. I forgot my GoPro, so I probably won't get many swimming shots. Okay, so I am done with swimming for today. I am headed home, and then I'm gonna go get some lunch with my mom. Okay, so went to lunch with my mom. We went to the store to get 3D printing filament because my 3D printer came. I still have to set it all up, which I'll probably start tonight, but I've got some other stuff I need to do. I'm on my way to get my hair cut because my hair is a mess and I would like it to look good for Florida so I don't look like a bum. Okay, got my hair cut. It's a little shorter on top than I would have liked, but I think it looks good. And now I don't have to wear a hat all the time to cover up my bad hair. So, now I'm back off to my house where I need to help my neighbor. He needs help building a new TV stand. So, I'm gonna work on that. He'll probably come over and help me, but should be pretty easy, and then I might get started putting together my 3D printer. So yeah, it should be pretty good. Okay, so my 3D printer came today. I picked it up, but it's 20 pounds. Yeah, so let's get unpacking because it's in pieces, so. Okay, so we have a little bit of filament. Wow. Okay, so today is kind of a busy day. We're packing up to go to Florida tomorrow. So I got my 3D printer working. It seems to be doing just fine. It says that it is 69% done. Everything looks good. Now I picked a somewhat easy fast print just so I can see what I'm working with, to see if I have everything calibrated correctly and whether or not I need to change stuff on the computer, but I think it should be fine. Wow, it's really raining. Look at this, look how bad it's raining right now. This is crazy. It's a downpour out there. Okay, but when most people, well, a lot of people, when they have 3D printers, they decide it would be cool to have an LEDs lighting up the 3D printer while it's printing. I also think that's a really cool idea, and lucky enough, I have some short LED strips that I just might be able to hook up. I also just found an extra. These are GoPro mounts, and you know the other day when I said that I need to fix it? Well, here are some pieces to fix it. Okay, I just found another LED strip. I think this is blue, and it's already hooked up to a switch. Okay, so getting this on here is what I need to happen with this. So that will be the first project that I do. This, okay, GoPro tip. Lighter, stickies that go for the GoPro. They adhere a lot better with some heat. So run the flame over the sticky a little bit, and you'll start to see it change just a little bit, look a little more wet. You don't want to burn it. That will ensure a nice, good stick. Okay, now time for the other side. And then do the same thing on this side, which it's still actually really warm from heating the other side. Can't hurt to go over again. And then literally stick it on there. And now it's back on there. Hopefully that stays for longer than it has the past 2 times I've tried that. So while that dries, it is time to solder all of this together. And they should be fine. I'm going to pre-tin them. Okay, I have pre-tinned them both. They should go together just fine. So, oh, of course, 3 of the LEDs are out, but that doesn't matter. Oh, on, off. Found the electric tape. Just doing this to make sure nothing shorts out, because it is exposed wires, and all that really matters is that it works. My first ever 3D print though should be done, and it doesn't sound like it's on, and it looks done. Okay, so as you can see, I'm pretty well lit now. It's been raining most of the day, and so I couldn't really see down here, but now that the light's shining through this window, I won't know if the LEDs are really good until tonight when it gets dark. Or it starts to rain again because it's Ohio. Okay, so I just finished the first print. It's just a little Chinese chess piece, and I think it turned out pretty well. Definitely some hiccups in there, but I expected that. I mean, I think it turned out pretty well. Now, I didn't slice this one. It was just one that was already on the SD card, ready to go. I still haven't downloaded the Cura program or anything like that. So, my next print will be a better test of how well I can do and the printer. But for now, I just wanted to have something, say I printed something.